Hello, this is Levi. Levi is a new and proud owner of a Kitsa mattress. Here is Kitsa, here is the new owner. This is a twin cloud Kitsa, and even though he doesn't yet have a bed for the mattress, he was very eager to open it and, well, kind of playing it for now. But in a week he'll be able to sleep on it. Levi comes from a family of Kitsa fans. His father and his mother sleep on a Kitsa mattress. His grandfather and grandmother sleep on a Kitsa mattress. Friends of his parents also, like at least 3 friends, sleep on a Kitsa mattress. So he is gonna join the army of fans, and hopefully he can get a pillow. So thank you very much.